Alrighty, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, my shoulder's sore. That does not feel good. Good morning, mister. Hi, babies. Hey, girlies. Yeah? What's up, huh? What's up? Coming out, girly? Ah, now I see what they're looking at. I got hay for the nesting boxes. And I thought I'd put it in before I let them out, but then I'm like, yeah, I'll just let them out. And now they're all like, what is that? Look at this girly. You're okay. Woo! That scared me. Oh, she scared me. Okay, I don't know if the babies are coming out, but I need to get the hay in the nesting boxes, so good morning, everyone.